Who are you talking to over there, Wallace? Huh? Just hanging out? Huh? You trying to talk to Bruce over there? Hi, Bruce. What are you doing? You know what to do. What? You like sitting up there, huh? He wants to get on the counter. Wallace! No. You can't get up there. You have to stay on the chair. Yeah. You are quite the character. You can get down. You're not going to fall. Go ahead. Just jump. You'll be fine. You can get down. Just jump. It's okay. Do you need help? Do you want me to help you? You can do it. Wallace, you can do it. Hey, Brucey, why don't you help Wally? Oh, okay.